Okay, so let's take a look at iMovie. iMovie is Apple's movie making application. You can get it on the Mac or on a mobile device as well. When we first go into it, you'll see a screen similar to this, different headings along the top. We're just going to focus on projects, looking at how to create new videos. If you tap on the plus icon over to the left, you'll see you have two options. You have the movie option or trailer option. We're going to start by looking at the movie option. This is the full-blown version of how to create your own movies. Now, with most Apple products, they already give you templates to start to make things a little bit easier to get you going. A range of templates you can choose from here, different backgrounds, different types of text, different feels to the text that goes into it as well, different transitions that you can put in, and different sound tracks that can be added. So you tap on Create when you're happy with your theme, and you'll see that you have this blank video editing page. Now, it can look a little bit daunting at first because there's not really that many clues as to what you need to do, but it really is quite simple. If I'm making something based on some pictures that I've gathered or some video, I can choose between my video that I've got on my device and the pictures that I have on my device. Everything that's already taken on my device in the camera roll, I have access to here. So if I want to go to some of my photos and choose some of those, I can just quite simply go in and find some images. I can choose some of those images and they'll just drop straight into place. So all of a sudden now I can start to edit that image. It's just dropped straight into place and I can start to do things with it. If I tap on the image itself, you'll see down the bottom I have another set of options. I can cut up that, so I can slice it a little bit by just dragging one of the sides so I can see how long I might want that picture to be in place for. I can change the speed. I can change the volume if it had any volume in it. This is a still image, but if it was a video, I'd be able to change the volume level. And I can add in the title. So I mentioned these before. Comes with some preloaded title styles in there. This is the one for the theme that I've chosen, but there's lots of others you can choose depending on where you want your text, and you just simply then tap on the text and just add that in wherever you might want it to be. And then finally we have the filters, same as most other applications that you find with anything to do with cameras. We can change how we want the style of that to go. Now this is really nice because you can see the difference here between something that might be quite moody to we're going to do something historical. So we found a picture and we're going to turn it black and white because it's in keeping with the work that we're doing around World War II or whatever it might be. Once we're happy with that, we just carry on editing. We just drop in some more pictures. So if we go to our movies, we'll be able to see if we've got any movies. We can just simply drop in. And again, we can just drop those in. There's a nice little animated movie of my head and a table tennis ball. Again, tap on it. We can edit, so we can split if we want to, so we can split up that movie. And then it gives us these transitions. If we tap on those, we can actually then have a look at the transitions that we want in there and change the style of how it moves from one into the next. So really simple. Once you're done, you just simply tap on done at the top. It will make your movie. We can change the title of it, or we can simply play it.